Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera from NDC Trading Academy with our pre-market forecast for today, Wednesday, May the 8th. Let's quickly jump at our news items for the day. Today is Wednesday. We have nothing. We have an FOMC member speaking. No effect whatsoever on our trading. Tomorrow is the biggie, though. Tomorrow is obviously Fed Chair Powell speaking at 8:30. Now, we don't know how long that's going to last, but we may have some sort of effect, obviously, because of his conversation. Let's quickly jump to our analysis. We start with our daily chart. What do we find on our daily chart? Obviously, the retracement coming off the all-time highs. Market finding support in the areas that I had identified before. First the 50, and if it moves lower, we have the 80 and the 200 SMA. And this area here where we used as a resistance before, this was with the triple top, first double then triple, where we had our sell-off here in October and mid-December here, and late December, early December, and all the way down to Christmas Eve, where we started our rally back up to the all-time and created an all-time high. If you are always uncertain which way the market is going to go in certain areas, you just got to look left. And if you pull back all the way, you see that we've been in this area once before. We used the 20 SMA as support, and we ran from there. The second time that we were here, we actually used the 50 as support. This is a much similar scenario, and we broke lower. We broke much lower. So we're going to see what happens to us. It's irrelevant as traders. We want to make sure that we get volume and movement, and obviously volume and movement is here. Our ATR is over 28, which is double of what we're looking for. We're looking for an average volume of 1.1 million equal or greater, and an ATR of 14 or greater, and we have the ATR at 28 and an average volume of 1.2. So we are right back where we want to be with this type of trading, the market that we're trading in. Let's go quickly to our projection chart here. As we can see, these are the levels, the price levels where we're expecting price to come and move to. If it moves higher, if it moves lower, obviously these are our first key points area here. That's what we're envisioning in reference to price movement. So that's the range that we're expecting price to move today. Obviously, we can move lower, but this is the key line here. We can see that a little bit more clearly in our analysis chart here. We're between the intraday high of yesterday and the intraday low. Market is bouncing off the intraday low again, attempting the continuation to the upside. It has a sharp turn at this particular support level here, resistance level here, moves down strong and sharply, finds support at this trend line. So what's the key for today? Trend line. We expect the trend line to hold and more continuation to the upside. Otherwise, it's going to come retest this intraday low, and after that, if it wants to move lower, there's a lot of room for it to move lower. A lot of room to move forward. So any bounce off this area, obviously we have some great support areas, some resistance areas that we can come retest. So any runs from this particular level here can be runs up to the upside. Now, if the market holds, it can come down all the way down to here and hold. If it holds, obviously we're expecting the market to come and retest this area here. Otherwise, like I said, it's going to be a high volume down day. So keep your eye on that one. So we haven't had two big, strong moves to the downside combined or consecutive in a while. So the likelihood is that we may end up with doing a little bit of a mixed day where, we do a little up, a little down, some sort of an indecision, but we got to keep our eye on it. Here's what we're referring to more clearly here. Here's our support area. Let's see if the market holds here or if it continues. We do have immediate resistance at this level here. Breakthrough here, we're going to come try to test these areas up here. So keep your eyes wide open today. Don't get fooled by the bear or bull traps. Make sure that you're dealing, and when you're trading with the direction and with the right amount of volume. Take care and have a great trading session.